Okay, since I crashed my cars last Saturday, I'm just gonna go and run to the gym. I just checked, Planet Fitness is 2 miles away. It is currently 7 p.m. dito sa Spokane Valley. I'll be walking and running to Planet Fitness. Let's go. Good luck sa leg day. Leg day. Naka 1 mile na tayo. 1 mile to go. Pa rin tayo, takbo. Takbo. Before I went out the apartment, I checked how many miles is Planet Fitness from the apartment, and Google Maps says this is 2 miles, and now I'm 2 miles in. I'm not there yet. I don't know who's telling the truth. My Galaxy Watch or Google Maps. But fuck it, we're still running. Yeah. Okay. Kapit na tayo sa Planet Fitness, guys. It's 7:40 p.m. Init pa din. Okay. Planet Fitness na tayo. Planet Fitness. Let's go. Okay. We're done. Basta tayo mag-gym. It is 9 p.m. Uwi na tayo. Planet Fitness. Let's go home. Bale, I'll just be walking home. (9 p.m. na dito. Kakaano lang ng sunset. Walking because we crashed our car. Nasa 16th Avenue na ako. So ang bahay namin is nasa 24th. So malayo-layo pang lakad. Bye na. It's 10 p.m. I'm out.